Hello everybody, my name is Luis David Areta Montiel. I am studying the University Secar. Okay teacher, this is my presentation in Prexy. She is my grandmother. Look at the picture please. She is my grandmother. She is 76 years old. She is tall, thin, and her hair is of color gray and curly. Her eyes are of color brown and her skin is brunette. She likes to eat and share with her family. She is very funny and sometimes it is very bitter and she does not like it when she can't sleep or nap. Okay, she is my friend. She is Livia. She is a very intelligent woman. She is a student of the University of Secar and also she studied English. She is tall, is thin, she is 20 years old and her skin is brunette. Her hair is color black and her hair is straight and long. Her eyes are black and she is a girl very friendly and she likes to be very helpful and does not like her friendship to be flawed with her. Okay, this third slide. Okay, she is my cousin. Sorry, look at the picture. Well, her name is Lidis. She is 37 years old. Her hair color is red, straight and long. Her eye color is brown. She is short stature and she is a hard-working woman. She has her own clothing sells business. She is business woman and she likes to travel and work hard. And she is the enemy of laziness. Okay. This is the other cousin. Look at your picture, please. Well, she is my cousin. Her name is Nora and she is a Secar graduate teacher. She works in the Ciénaga de Oro. She has 2 children. She is tall and thin. Her hair is black and straight and she has brunette skin. She is a very funny and cheerful woman. She likes dancing a lot and does not like to eat chicken. Okay, finish all my